Hey guys, want to start dropshipping a store but don't want to hold inventory? Shopify and AliExpress makes a powerful combo to get your store set up and running quickly. No stock, no upfront costs, and here's exactly how to use My Shopify with AliExpress step by step. So, if you haven't already, create a Shopify store with a clean theme. This will be your storefront to showcase all your dropshipping products. To easily import products from AliExpress, install a dropshipping app like Deezer. So after opening Shopify dashboard, click on settings icon at the bottom left of the screen. Click on the apps icon just right here and click on all recommended apps. Now scroll down on this page and click on Shopify App Store link, and this will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to search for DSers. As you can see, this app is for AliExpress dropshipping. Click on install and this will instantly open up your Shopify's dashboard. You'll have to install it by clicking on this install button. After installing, you'll have to make sure that you are signed up on AliExpress or DSers. After signing up, enter that specific credential on the page that you'll be prompted on, that is this page. After entering your credentials, you can browse AliExpress for trending, high demand product in your niche. Look for suppliers with high ratings and good shipping times. So once you pick products, import them directly to your Shopify using this application, and you can edit titles, descriptions and prices before publishing. So click on create an account if you don't have it and click on register yourself to register yourselves on DSers. After doing this, you would have successfully connected AliExpress with Shopify, after which you'll have to make product pages unique, add high quality images, detailed descriptions and highlight benefit to stand out from other dropshippers. Also, you can configure Shopify payments and shipping zones to match your supplier's location and expected delivery times. So be clear with customers about shipping delays common in dropshipping. When a customer orders, your dropshipping app sends the order details to AliExpress supplier who ships the product directly to your customers. No handling by you. So, using Shopify with AliExpress lets you start an online store with minimal risk and upfront cost. It's perfect if you're testing new ideas or want a flexible business model. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.